In this guide, you'll learn how to display your YouTube music listening activity as your status on Discord. First thing you want to do is navigate to the Chrome Web Store. So launch your browser and then type in Chrome Web Store. Once you're over here, click on the option extension. Now search for the extension YouTube Discord Presence. Now add this extension to the Chrome. Once you add it, you will be taken to the GitHub page of the helper application. Now locate the section Releases at the left hand side. Now download the latest version compatible with the operating system. After completing the installation of the helper application, open YouTube Music in the browser and start playing any song. Within a few seconds, Discord will automatically update the status to show the track currently being played. Additionally, the status will update automatically if the song is paused or the browser tab is closed. That's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.